I want to I want to pose a question to somebody, and this is because I like to go into the Bible slash scientific debates. But as human beings, we obviously have brains, and we should question these things. That I'm really starting to think now. In a way, why wouldn't God put animals above human beings? And I'll ask this question because I'm curious, because I like to observe things, and I observe animals' ways versus human beings, and I have to ask myself, well, obviously, it just strikes me as, well, animals really seem like they have a higher intelligence than human beings ever have, just from because a part of science is observing. Well, as I observe any animal, and not every animal, but certain ones, like birds, for instance, or octopuses are highly intelligent, way higher than a human being's brain. Their IQs, I think, go up to over 200. Their IQ's probably like 210, over 200. The bald eagle, the crow are highly intelligent creatures. What else? Jellyfish. Jellyfish are highly intelligent. Other animals, I'm not saying dogs or cats or anything, but animals like that. Why would God put human beings above the animals if animals are so much more smarter intellectually and physically, both, but really intellectually smarter than human beings? Why would God put human beings above animals? That does not make any sense to me, because only in my case, if I was God, I would put the animals above the human. I would put animals above human beings, since they're way more highly intelligent than human beings ever could be, just from observing. And now, I don't care if someone sees this as arrogant. I'm not trying to be arrogant, but I'm asking these questions because that's what makes sense to me. The animals would be above human beings, and that's what makes sense. And honestly, I would respect that more than human beings being over the animals. Honestly, because especially some animals in our oceans, some other ones, not everyone, because some animals are dumb, but other animals have higher IQs, and they're way more highly intelligent than human beings are. Why couldn't God just put animals above human beings? It does not make any sense. Only personally, if I was God, I would put animals over human beings. But that's just me. I'm just here to pose this question: why wouldn't God put an animal above a human being? That would make more sense to me. But that's just me. And I'm trying to approach this with a scientific means to the Bible now, because I like to do that. Apply not just the scripture, but science in with the scripture as well, I just think it's better to expand our mind, because God gave us a brain, so we need to expand our minds a little bit. So, anyway, have a nice day. If someone can answer that to me, or even send a scripture, but also maybe give your own opinion as well, that would be great too, because I don't understand that. Only if I was God, I would put animals above human beings, since they're so much more smarter. So, that's just me though. Alright, God bless everyone. Have a great night.